welcome back to EllafulDeco. Today we are making another mirror and it turned out so beautiful. So excited to share it with you. It's an arch shape. This is just the back and here's what it turned out to look like. The mirror will go in here and I will show you the full piece with the mirror at the end of the video. Let's get started. Here we have our arch mirror mode. The resin we're using is Total high performance slow resin. For the first layer, we're going to pour into the rim and place our paper specimens and flowers. Use the popsicle stick to carefully go around the edges to bring up any bubbles that are trapped, and then use a heat gun to pop the bubbles at the surface. On the note of the mold, I'm starting to focus more on my art, so I'm slowly making my collection just for myself. So this mold is no longer available. I do have a compact mirror version in the shop, so I will link that for you. If you wanted to DIY this mold yourself, you can find my mold making video to learn how to make your own molds. Anyways, let's continue. These paper specimens are from Moth and Myth, and you can find the link for them in the description. They look so realistic and magical, and it's just so perfect for this arch shape. The flowers that we're using are from various sellers online. I will link them in the description below. The rim for this arch mirror is only about 1 inch wide, so there is a limited size for the flowers that we can place. As always, I'm just placing the flower as we go, no pre-planning or anything. Once I placed all my flowers the way I like them, we're going to add a little bit of glitters from Dreaming of Glitters. They are actually in the process of rebranding, so they'll be coming out with a lot of new mixes soon, and I'm really excited for that. I absolutely love all their glitter mixes, and you will see how this mix adds some magic to the final piece when we demold it. I'll link their Instagram in the description for you to check out later. Once everything looks good, we'll let this sit for a few hours to harden and then be back for the background layer. For the background layer, we're doing a pink and purple. These colors are a mix of pastel acrylic paints from Michaels and Black Diamond's White Diamond Effect mica pigment. And then we're going to add a little bit of this ghosted pigment to the combo as well. Again, I'll link all the materials in the description, except for the ghosted pigment because I purchased it from AliExpress and don't exactly remember which shop. Since this is a mirror, we're going to focus the color design on the rim because that's what we're going to see. The middle will be covered by the mirror. My idea for this when pouring is mainly just to make sure that all the colors are showing. So I'm pouring a little bit of all the colors around first and then filling the mold to the top. Once all the colors are poured, just give the resin a little swirl to mix in the colors and so the back also doesn't look so spotty. And then just let the piece fully cure. This resin, the TotalBolt's high performance low resin, takes about 6 to 8 hours to fully cure. And now we're back to the mold. Look at the back of this piece. Do you see the effect of the ghosted pigments? Now this is what we call magical. Well, the pink and purple combination is already lovely itself. The colors of the paper specimens and the flowers pop so nicely. The sparkles from the glitters, it's beautiful too. I'm going to dome the rim of this and then be back to show you the final mirror. If you need a tutorial for doming, check out the doming video on my channel. It's completed! I just have to keep pointing out that ghosted pigment because it's so pretty, that little shift. I can't get over these colors. The mirror is going to be so beautiful. And look at that extra shininess added from the dome coat. I only domed the rim and not the inside for this piece. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed making this mirror with me. And if you did, please like and subscribe. And let me know down in the comments below what you want to see next. I'll see you next time.